Hey guys, welcome to help screen, and today I'm going to show you how to hide the taskbar on Windows. So guys, first thing is just simply go to the bottom left corner of the screen and then go to the settings over here. And now after that, just simply go to personalization right over here. And now just simply go for the taskbar. So from here on the taskbar, you should be able to see something like this one. Automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. So from here, guys, in default, it will be like this. So if you turn this on, it will automatically hide. So in order for you to pop it up, you can just simply put your mouse into the bottom of the screen and the taskbar will pop up. And now you could just simply turn it off to get back into the default. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching, guys. See ya.